Alright everybody, how you doing, and welcome back to my channel. In this video here, I'll be talking about replacing my ring light, as you see in front of you right there. Now I bought that ring light about 5 years ago just to go ahead and do small production work at my desk. As you see, got my webcam. I had brought the general webcam, which works great on this computer here, so it's not really an issue with it. But with that ring light, there is a little bit on the small side, and the ring light I brought is a little bit on the large side. That should go ahead and get the job done. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on with the unboxing of it and see if this will work for you for a nice small setup like this, just to go ahead and do production work or etc. If you don't want to have all that bulky equipment sitting into a small room, and you don't want to spend an arm and a leg. So let's get right into the unboxing. Alright everybody, as you see in front of you, this is the fill light that came in yesterday from Temu, and I'm happy to have it. Just like I said, I'm replacing this light with the one I had in the room. I just showed you. It was small, it did the job. You know, I didn't complain about it. If I needed to use it for other stuff, I could use it for other stuff, such as unboxing PC cases and accelerator. That's to be the light in the room. So if I have that going and still having it, then we'll be using it. That will work for those needs, as I mentioned not too long ago. This here will be for filming. When I need light, I need good light for my face when I'll be doing my sports segments and stuff like that on the computer in the room. Now the PC in the room, I'm going to go ahead and put the specs into it, but this is not about what I'm working on or what I'm using. It's about this right here. So far, the presentation is decent. You know, it's just a square light, and it basically fits makeup, presentation, videos, photography. If you have a small filming area, you want to take quick pictures of your family, etc., and then have them develop behind a nice, good, small green screen that you have set up in your room. Now, if you are a professional photographer, you're gonna need more bulky equipment, and that's gonna give you the good lighting you use. But for small rooms and for small work areas, this light should be just perfect for you. All right, let's get into the unboxing of it. And I'm excited to have it. Just like I mentioned it, this light came from Temu, and I'll be putting all product links in the description below if you want to go ahead and purchase this for yourself. Now, keep in mind, I get a lot of people that talks bad about the products I get from Amazon, Temu, Newegg, etc. Keep in mind, give me a good heads up. If this is not for you, don't watch the video. I'm not being disrespectful to my videos. I love my videos. I love the stuff that I buy for myself. But if you don't feel free that this don't work for you, then don't go ahead on and watch the video, and don't post any negative comments to keep other people from buying something that might work for them. All right, let's get into the unboxing of it. All right, what we have right here. What comes in the box? Your tripod mount. Let's pull all the good stuff out. Alrighty, and as always, I always say this in general, it comes with your product manual. Please take the time to read your information and understanding how to set it up. Now it comes in variation of modes. You got your right load mode, and also have RGB mode, as you see on the product manual itself. So like I said, always take time to read your product manual. It does two version lights. They got the square light, which one I have here, and they also have the circle light. So whatever you go ahead on that product you pick from this company here, it's not bad. What comes in the box, you get the light, and you get your tripod mount. If you have a big tripod around, like a desk tripod, ring, or anything like that, you could go ahead on and use that instead. So now let's get into the unboxing of it. As you see, nice light, nice big light, nice, productive, and it's small, so you cannot go wrong with it. Let's go ahead on and get into the switching. You got your switching here. Nice long lengthy cable. So you cannot go wrong with the product itself. Yes, I'm fighting with it. So yes. And you got your modes right there. You got your switching mode, your up and down mode, and your on and off mode. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you a little taste of it right now. So you say, oh, Ron, the light may not be working. Are you sure this light work? It's already plugged into my nice 6-port USB power adapter. So I'll be putting this in the link in the description below if you would like to have one for yourself to use for anything such as powering these type lights, for product presentations, etc. You don't have to sit down here and look for any external USB plug just to sit down here and use it as power source. You could go ahead and use this here for your power source, and it works perfectly. So now, as you see, I have the power button. It's lit. It's blue. Let's turn it on, and yes, she is bright. You could dim her down if that's too bright for you, and you could go ahead and crank her up. That's perfect. Now you're gonna have source modes. That's your cool light. If y'all get a lot of white noise in it, y'all excuse that. You get the tan light, and you get your bright light. And then you got your on and off. Now, just like I said, if you get the one with the RGB, they make plenty kinds of it. You get your shadow box. You get your little product ring light. You got your hot fill light. You got your RGB. You got your light sectors with the color changing. I just got the regular LED light. All the functionality I will put in the product description below. So if you need to know more about the product, etc., it's right there. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and connect it up into the room, and I'm going to go ahead on and do the final user mail studio to end the video and what I recommended. Alright everybody, the presentation is now final. I'm closing out everything using Mail Studios with the light. Now yesterday I did a video that I was a little dark in the area. I'll be putting that video link in the description below. I was talking about sports, WrestleMania 41, that segment there. I'll be putting episode 6 in the description below, and y'all can look at the light. And I used a small ring light I had, and I got this nice big exposure ring light. Right now I'm looking at myself on Meld, and right now I could see everything. With the small ring light I had, you could not hardly see my shirt. Right now I can see my shirt. I had closed the curtain to give me a nice good dark feel in the room, so you could go ahead on and see me. Now the main thing is Zomei. I'll probably say, they say 10 inches, but I'm going to go ahead and do the exact measurements myself so I could go ahead and let you know how many inches it is. But Zomei LED light is good. Now it does come in nice good different feel. I'm in the bright form, then you got your cool lit, and then you got your tan. Right now tan will probably make it like I have an orange feel on my forehead and my bald spot. So, but other than that, I really like this LED square production light. I mean, some of y'all like expensive stuff. If you are in the Elgato and you want nothing but Elgato and you don't find the purpose of my video here, then I understand. It's not an issue. It's not a problem. You go ahead, you buy your Elgato, continue creating strong with your Elgato. You might have a sponsorship by Elgato. I have reached out with Elgato for sponsorship, and the PMs denied everything. So this is where it comes to where I had to find stuff out my pockets that makes good sense for me. Now Elgato light sets going for over 150 to like $250 max. That I like the green screen they have that sits behind the chair. That's going for $180 or higher, all depends on the size and what you get. But for small productivity like me, and I'm sitting right in front of my computer screen with my webcam on, this works for me. It is good for live streaming. It is good for gaming content, beauty content, vlog content, whatever you like and you need a nice good light purpose. that works for you. Now they do have your shadow box, they do have the RGBs, they do have the color sliders to put into the for your LED light. So, but doing this and using this light here, I'm very excited to have it. And I'm glad it came in yesterday. I'll be putting the link in the description. So if you want to purchase one for your nice small setup, and you good to go. And you don't have time to have all these wires you gotta cable manage and all these big screen film boxes like you doing actual photography. No, a lot of us don't want to go back to school. I mean, I have a lot of offers coming in for filmography work, and I'm rejecting it because that's not what I am for. I did finish school. I do have my business administration. So since I do have that, let me go ahead and administrate Ron's World, running only right here in front of you, and try to work on some good sponsorships with companies that want me to reveal their product. Or you can just send me an email link, which I'll be putting in the description below, and I will buy the product and I will sample it on my channel and I will let people know whether it's good or it's not. But right now, Zomei maybe 10-inch square light works perfectly for me, and I love it. I put it on my tripod, my desk tripod, so I can eliminate the tall tripod I had behind my desk. I got it connected to my tripod that mounts to my desk, and I don't have to worry about anything like that. It works great. It was good. I love it. Will I recommend it? Absolutely, because I said I love the product. Now it's up to the person with the open mind what they feel about the product. If the lighting you see in my video is not good for you and you need your face fully shown, fully lit, then go to something that works for you. But a person on a budget and say, hey, this is great, I could use it, I love it, it fits my needs, I don't have to set up multiple equipment just to get the proper lighting I need. This is great. You see my shadows here and there. You know, it's not too bright. It's not fading out my bald spot on top of my forehead. On top of my head. You see my forehead here. Yes, my big forehead, and yes, I love it. And I love Zomei LED light. I will recommend it, and I will see y'all in the next one. I'm doing my best not to do excessive talking because somebody reached out to me for that and put that in the comment that I do go off talky, but I'm trying to cut that down. So I would recommend Zomei LED square light. And if this works for you as you see the lighting in the video, then go out to Temu and purchase it before the tariffs taking place, and we won't be able to buy anything from our trust lending manufacturer. Temu, I love you. I will put y'all link in the description below so y'all can go ahead and click on it, subscribe, etc., and be happy. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.